Hello, my name is David Smeltzer, and I'm President and CEO of Heritage Ministries. On behalf of the entire Heritage family, I would like to share with you how Heritage is responding to the current pandemic. For those of you who have loved ones residing in one of our communities, we want to thank you for trusting us with their care, and we want to assure you that our first priority is the health and safety of our residents and staff. We have a COVID-19 task force that meets regularly to assure that we are following the guidelines being put into place by the CDC, the World Health Organization, and the ever-evolving local, state, and federal regulations in all of our communities. This task force, which is comprised of industry experts, medical staff, and communication specialists, has been working daily to develop protocols and procedures to prepare our staff to face this pandemic as it continues to grow in our regions. At our skilled and assisted living communities, our caregivers continue to seek creative ways for our residents to stay connected to their loved ones at a time when safety prevents them from being together. Residents and their families have access to telephone conferencing and video chats. Window visits are being arranged where that is a possibility. Our social media pages contain photos and messages of hope and love from our residents. The status of our residents' health is being closely monitored with regular temperature checks and increased observations by direct care staff. Employees are being screened each day upon arrival and are required to wear surgical masks when working in resident care areas. In our independent living communities, we are finding new ways to help limit their exposure. We now provide grocery delivery services when needed and the ability for all residents to order takeout meals from our dining services. In the face of this pandemic, our Heritage team nationwide has continued to work to assure that those we serve are safe, secure, and supported. The work of our frontline caregivers is not just a job, it truly is a calling. We thank each and every one of those individuals for their unwavering commitment during this difficult time. I want to assure you that our team is ready. Given the likelihood that at some point we will be faced with caring for residents who have COVID-19, our task force has today published the most up-to-date policies and procedures as it relates to the processes for providing care of the affected resident, assuring the safety of our staff, and the best approach to limiting the internal spread. Please do not hesitate to reach out to our facilities with any questions or concerns you may have. And as always, visit the website of the appropriate Heritage community for more information. Working together, we can minimize the impact of this disease on our community and continue to promote hope, dignity, and purposeful living to each and every resident whom God has entrusted to our care. Thank you very much. God bless.